Hello everyone, welcome to Website Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to introduce the Youdle DAO, this NFT project in the Polkadot ecosystem. And so before I start, I would like to clarify this is not really a recommendation. This is just, I just made that for the educational purpose to show you the projects, to show you how to get the ticket. I want to do that because I personally, I'm interested. So I want to get one probably and explore how this NFT, what is unique about this NFT. I'm going to talk about that. And so now this Youdle DAO, the Youdle DAO is kind of a collaboration with different parachain projects, many by the Tinker parachain or the Inverarch Tinknet. So the Amhaka and the Fana network is also their collaborator. So this one is an NFT, but what's special about this NFT? So this is kind of a DAO. It's a decentralized organization. So the DAO will be a community-controlled DAO that focuses on the continued prosperity and growth of the .sama ecosystem. So since I'm a strong supporter of the .sama, so I definitely want to explore this one. So this is one of the reasons why I'm interested in that. I want to support this kind of projects. And for this Youdle DAO, the second thing is it's very interesting. They have 4 phases. From the normal NFT, which is most of you already know that it's a single source NFT. You can use that as a profile picture, which is kind of normal. But then the second phase is Ark 2.0, so it's a composable NFT. Now you can use that, you can decorate that. That makes the NFT kind of interesting. And then they have the Inver 4 Ark, which is a multi-sig treasury governance reputation. So this is kind of an NFT as a governance. Finally, they have an XCA Inver 4. So it's a multi-chain and environment. And for the plagiarism, so this makes me more interested. The second reason I like it, it's not just a simple NFT. It's also an NFT for the governance. It's also an NFT multi-chain, and also the Inver 4 it's a one for the IP. So the IP property in the Web3. So this is the reason I like it. And now let's go ahead to see this NFT. This is how it looks like. And overall, they have oh, what happened? So overall, they have 21 of them. They are kind of custom made. And then 30 of them, they are also kind of custom made. It's kind of guarantee 3 of their features. And then the rest of them, 950, they are randomly generated. And of course they are cheaper, so you can get that. And so you can get the ticket. So this is a custom ticket. And then this is the 30 will be later on available. So different kinds of tickets, and the interesting part is this Inverarch technology. So we know this Inverarch technology is for the IP in the Web3, right? So it's about the copyright, and so this is the one of the interesting thing about this NFT, because normally if you just get an NFT, people just copy that. They also have the NFT. They just copy the picture. Sorry, so it's not they copy the NFT. They copy the picture, right? So they can use that, and they can make a new NFT. Just use your picture, and so the Inverarch, they try to solve this problem. So they will create the first plagiarism resistant NFT assets. So you can prove, yeah, you are the unique owner of that NFT. So this one makes me feel very good, it's the first time you have the NFT and really you can verify, right? So I'm also interested in how they will make it happen, but this is just the beginning, right? So we want to explore that. That's why I want to, I'm interested in this NFT project. And the last reason, not the least actually, there are other reasons. So they also have the cross chain, and also they have the um they will have the collaboration with like the utility specific smart contracts called smart licenses, and also the Fana networks FAT contracts. So this is also interesting. Finally, I remember there's another reason like I feel it's interesting. So okay, so this is overall the figure to show you how you can, like, what you can do with this Youdle DAO. Oh, here, yeah. The last reason, but not the least, is they will have the actually the holder will share the ownership over their treasury. So it has 20% of initial NFT sale revenue, and also 100% of continued royalty, and then like the token allocation from other projects, and also the Tinker token accrued from IP staking. So it's kind of the NFT you will probably get some, like, have some utility and the benefit, and they will also have a stable coin in the future. So this is overall like the reason why I like it. But I would be happy to hear any thoughts or any ideas. And by the way, like they will also have the roadmap released soon, so I will keep track of that. And I will definitely will share the findings. So now it's about like how to buy them. They have different tickets. Like some of them they are cheaper because they are customized, and some of them they are kind of random. So for the educational purpose, I will just show you the random one. But actually, the random one is not that bad because voting power for this special one is 5. And the price is I think it's 15 now. But the random one, the price is only 1, and the voting power is 1. So ultimately, if you have 15 of this normal one, your voting power would be 15. It's even higher than the voting power of this. So now let's just go ahead to show you. So first of all, this is the Youdles. So this is Youdle's final NFT you can have, and right now there are 14 of them. And they are most likely to their team or some people. You can check that. Oh, it's to the to Dustin Lee. Okay, some of you probably know him. So now it's about the ticket. So I will show you how to buy that. So the Youdle tickets is here, and you basically just randomly find one because it's random, and I would like to show you how to get one with random. So I think we should have a lot of them. Yeah, so still a lot of them left, so I will randomly just pick one and buy that. So this is all by lucky, right? So we don't know what kind of NFT I'm going to get. So it will cost 1 KSM, and if you click buy now, it will say like you are about to buy this one with a transaction of this, and then like you will just click this one and buy, and so it will ask you to put the password and sign. So I will just sign the transaction. So it's going to cost 1 KSM. But it's worth, first of all, like I like it, right? I share the reasons. Second is this is also for the educational purpose, so I would be happy to show you what happened when you pay 1 KSM, and hopefully it's working. I think I'm paying the KSM, so it should give me something. And then like once that's done, like in the future, okay, so congratulations, it's yours. So I get this NFT, this ticket, and so you can see that now I buy that, right? So list and buy, okay. So they just listed 2 days ago, okay. If you are interested, you can also check that. It's not here, okay. Oh yeah, it's here. So this is a ticket. I have it here. All right, so that's all about today's video. Overall, like just introduce the Youdle DAO, that NFT project, and I hope I will get some feedback. If you have any questions, please leave comments and subscribe if you don't want to miss any future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.